Hi everyone, here we've got a HUAWEI MatePad T10 and let me show you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now you have to tap on the battery option. Here we have to scroll down and actually at the very bottom of the list we've got battery percentage option, so let's enter. And here we've got 3 different options to choose from. Now we've got do not show, so on the status bar we've got only the battery icon, but we can set also next to the battery icon or inside the battery icon. So if you'd like to change it, just tap on the option you want to use, for example inside the battery icon, and I hope that you can see it that from now on, inside the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Let me check another option, for example, next to the battery icon, and as you can see, on the left, we've got the battery percentage. So actually, that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your HUAWEI MatePad T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.